The Minister of Local Government has explained that this year's program involves 10,000 youth being employed.
It is the largest youth employment program of this nature in the Caribbean. And so far, over 50,000 young people have learned and have earned through the Youth Summer Employment Program over these 9 years. This year, we are increasing the weekly allowance, and I don't want to use the word. I do hope that you will also applaud the amount, whether you find it favorable or not. But in keeping with the government move to increase the minimum wage to $16,000, we have gone a little beyond the minimum wage, and you will be earning $17,000 tax-free.
All ministries have their own little program that they employ students and youngsters in the summer. And I would venture a guess that when you add them all up, you could easily be looking at about 20,000 young people who are directly impacted by government summer employment. And that's quite significant. The value of your summer work is definitely the little pay you will get. And I say little because it's not a lot of money, but that's not where the value is. And if you're coming into summer work to say, I want a lot of money, then you will lose the value. So the summer work program, it's about building character. It's about building a better you. And I say to you that I am a better person. I am a better leader. I understand my people better because I've had these real and varied experiences. So I say to all of you who are participants in the program, yes, the financial rewards at the end of it, you're going to be happy. But the real value is the experience. And I want you to approach your job with this zeal for knowledge, this zeal for gaining the experience. Because ultimately, the purpose of this exercise is to provide you with a transitioning bridge from the world of school to the world of work.